Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Girls, it's your science class. Chapter 2, Part 2, Animal and their adaptation. In previous video, we have learned about the movement in animals. How different animals adapt to move. Some animals live on land, some animals live in water. They all have adapted different type of locomotory organs. Now, in this video, we will learn breathing process in animals. So, first of all, what is breathing? The process through which living organism inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide through lungs is called breathing, and the organs that carry out exchange of gases as we breathe are called respiratory organs. So there are different types of animals and they have different types of respiratory organs. First, why respiration is essential? As all the animals breathe in oxygen to survive. Oxygen helps to change digested food into energy. During this process, carbon dioxide gas is released. Since carbon dioxide gas is not needed by the body, so it is breathed out or exhaled. And as I have already mentioned that different animals breathe in different ways. Land animals directly breathe in or inhale oxygen present in the atmosphere, or we can say present in the air. But aquatic animals breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water. So let us learn different types of breathing organs in different animals. First of all, breathing in insects. Most insects breathe passively through special openings on their body is called spiracles, or in another way we can say that insects have holes on their bodies called spiracles which help them to breathe. They have a network of air tubes called trachea which run across the whole body. Air passes through network of tubes to whole body of the insects. And in this way, insects breathe through its whole body. Now, breathing in fish. As we know, fish is an aquatic animal. Fish lives in water. So, they take dissolved oxygen from the water. So, as a breathing organ, fish have gills. They breathe through gills. Gills enable them to breathe underwater. A fish breathes by taking water into its mouth and forcing it out through gill passages. As the water passes over the thin wall of the gills, dissolved oxygen moves into the blood and travels to different organs of the fish, and then water comes out through the gills. Now, breathing in amphibians. As we know, amphibians can live at both places, in water as well as on land. So, when amphibians live on land, they breathe through their lungs. But young amphibians, young frog doesn't have gills. So when they live in the water, they breathe through their moist skin. Whereas Baby of the frog is called tadpole, and the tadpole has gills. So tadpole breathe in the gills. Breathe through the gills. Now the next one is breathing in reptiles. A lot of reptiles live on land, but some also live in water. Reptiles have lungs which help them to breathe. As crocodiles live in water, but they also have lungs. They breathe through lungs. They come on the surface of water for breathing. So all reptiles breathe through their lungs. Now breathing in birds. Birds also breathe through their lungs. They have small holes on their beaks known as nares on both sides of their beaks, and through that they inhale or exhale air. Breathing in mammals. All mammals breathe through lungs. Mammals have a respiratory organ. They take air through the nose, and then through windpipe air reaches to the lungs, and in this way all mammals breathe on the land. And the mammals that live in water, they also breathe through lungs. The mammals, as like whales and dolphins, they live in water and they have a pair of lungs. They cannot breathe underwater and have to come up to the surface to breathe. Instead of nostrils, they have a blowhole for breathing on their head. When they breathe in, oxygen from the air enters their body through a blowhole. When they breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves the body through the blowhole, and that carbon dioxide is dissolved with water, and then with water that carbon dioxide come out from the body of the whales or the dolphins through the blowholes. So students, today we have learned the breathing organs of different animals, breathing process in different animals. So go through the chapter and learn different types of the breathing organs of different animals. That's all for today. Thank you.